Omu rukiiko rubaire rutebeekanisibwe aba Great Lakes Organic Farmers Association, Julius Rukara orikukurira ebyobuhingi ahabwa district ya Kasese nagira ngu abahingi bihikire okwejumbira omu kuhinga ebintu ebitarikukwenda okufuhirirwa ekiriize kureetaho entaasya yaabo yayeyongyera.
Need to embrace organic farming for two reasons, if not three. One is organic products fetch more prices than inorganic products. When you engage yourself in organic farming, you produce products that are organic, that are from the market, they fetch more price than those that are conventionally produced.
Rukara nayongera agira ngu nangwa ebihingwa ebitarikufuhirirwa nibirugwamu n'ebyokurya birungi ebitiine mibazi y'okufuhirira.
Products give good food that is not contaminated. You realize that conventional farming, where we apply inorganic fertilizers and organic chemicals, you realize that there are some residues that remain. Most of our farmers harvest products even before the pre-harvest period is achieved. So you find that our farmers are ingesting, they are eating food that is already has some traces of these chemicals.
Longino Masereka ori mukuru w'ekitongore kya Great Lakes Organic Farmers Association nagira ngu tubiine katare k'omuntu wa buriijo kugurizamu ebihingwa bitafuhirire.
Going to export market of organic products, but the local market is not yet well developed. We realized that there was a gap between the organic producers and the organic consumers. So we are trying to bridge the gap between the consumer and the producer.
Zephanias Mubingwa ori omuhwezi wa RDC abwa district ya Kasese we nagira ngu abahingi barikwejumbira omu kuhinga ebihingwa bitafuhirirwe kiza kuyamba okurwanisa obukooko oburikukira kutahirira ebihingwa byabo.
We want them to begin practicing. Through practicing organic farming, they will overcome many diseases that normally affect our crops if they went organic. And therefore, once they overcome these many diseases that affect crops, we shall have raised production.
Abahingi nibagira ngu nangwa abakugu bashikire kuba nibabashyikirira kugira ngu batunge okushomesebwa okurukumara. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.